All right, guys. This is a good update video on my 928S4. I just finished putting the valve covers back on the car. I've been working on this particular project of maintenance for the last few weeks, just kind of chipping away at it. This is unfortunately, the valve covers hide all the cool stuff that I did over the last few weeks, but I'll just run through everything that I've done. What you can see right now would be the the freshly powder coated valve covers with the silicone red lettering, and then I also bought new spark plug wires. I put new plugs in the car. At the same time, I also powder coated all these hat washers, so everyone was individually powder coated because they were a little bit they didn't look very good. And then I cleaned and all the threads, chased and tapped all the threads in the head. While I was at it, while the valve covers were off, I also replaced the chain guides for the cams. So the guides were the original guides, and they were very brown and very worn. So replaced both left and right side guides. At the same time, I also replaced all the cam seals, front and rear. So has all brand new cam seals, and then also the oil tube holes. I replaced there's 3 on this side, 2 on the left side. I replaced those. And then I installed a new GOAT's valve cover gasket, which I think is a much better quality than the Victoraine's. And yeah, so it's all done now. Just fired up the car, runs, start up. It was nice to hear it start and run well. No oil leaks, everything is nice and dry. And she's ready to rip. So glad that to get this all completed. And then next would be to remove the intake manifold and put all brand new gaskets, have that cleaned, and then I'm going to powder coat that as well to match the valve covers. And then I'm actually going to do a timing belt and water pump, and then I'll be done with this car. So, and then also actually I'm going to fill the AC. While I have the belts all off, I'll put a new belt on the compressor. I have some R12, so I will be putting new R12 in the car, and then seeing how it all runs, and hopefully the AC will come back to life. But anyway, everything turned out quite well. I got some neatening up to do here. I still have to put the spark plug wire guides and brackets all in place. Kind of neaten things up, but for the most part it's looking good, and ready to finish up this car hopefully in the next few weeks. The timing belt and water pump will be a fairly big job, but we'll get after it here now that this is all complete, and we'll keep moving along. So some good progress here, and we'll continue to update you along the way. Take care.